It changed a lot. People are doing business from the rented premises. Majority of the people came in, many people came in the business out of compulsion. And that is why the things changed. So there were certain challenges as an association. We experienced these particular challenges. And one challenge which has majorly come up now is that COVID. I will be discussing that, but I will make a reference to the challenges which we have faced in the past. I have divided the challenges into two parts: external challenges on which we do not have much control, and then there are internal challenges. I will ask Ria to switch on to the slides. So if you are talking about either way, any internal challenges or external challenges, anything I can talk about, just understand this, because I want you to understand. Unless you take care of all these points, it will not be possible for you to come out with some solution. This is a internal challenge. As I said, majority of the classes today are working from the rented premise. This was not there earlier. Earlier, who were having the classes? Just hold on. One by one, let it come. If you can hold on, Ria. So once you are in a rented premises, earlier we used to have ownership premises. So ownership premises, there is no pressure as such. But in case of rented premises, there is a pressure of rent. That is what you people are suffering at present. Whenever your capacity utilization goes down, a classroom of 40, if you are recruiting just 10 students, then you will have a problem with the rent. This is more prominent nowadays. It was not there 20 years back. This is first problem. This is internal challenge. I'm saying we must take care of these cases if you want to come out of this. Second point is that the poor quality of the teachers. The teachers which we are getting today is the result of education system which is prevailing for the last 20 years. These teachers have come out of the education process which has not tested them properly. So their academic knowledge is less. And that is why what they can teach further to the student is again reduced. These are points as per me. You may agree, you may not agree also. But I personally feel when I look at the coaching class on the whole, these are the problems which are suffered by everyone. Third point is that when you are looking at these challenges, the third point, and which is more relevant today, is the lack of technical knowledge. People are afraid of how to go for online. I was looking at certain discussion. Lack of technical knowledge. You may not have learned all this technology, but there is no other option but to go for it. If I look at my case, I used to go to the bank for withdrawing the money from my bank account. But nowadays I don't go to the bank. Subsequently, I went to the ATM for withdrawing the money. Now I don't go to the ATM also. I do the payment online. This is nothing but technology. It is very easy. Technology is never difficult. But at present, people are afraid of using this technology. So this is one challenge you have to overcome. There are these challenges, certain things you can overcome, certain things you cannot. The fourth one, again, is the content development, which is not happening nowadays. We are outsourcing the contents. We are not putting efforts for developing the contents. So this is again one reason why we are in a position today and we are not happy with the present position what we are. We are not developing the contents. We are hiring from the publishers. Next internal challenge. I'm just going through the fast because these people are known to you. These things are known to you. I'm just mentioning it. There is absence of code of conduct. We do not have a code of conduct. How we should behave, how we should talk, how we should deal with our students, how we should deal with our colleagues, how we should deal with our competitor. We have not laid down the principles. This is a blame as an organization we have to take on our shoulder. We are responsible for this. But this is a problem. This is also one of the problems. We have to find out some solutions for this. Next, internal challenge I feel is no standardization. Again, I have talked about all these points in the past, so I'm just rushing through this. Normally, I used to talk about this whenever there is to be a meeting or a teacher's day. I used to speak about this. No standardization. Why Coca-Cola is sold more than Kokum Sarbat or a lemon Sarbat? Or why Amul Chas is sold more than a local Chas? Buttermilk I'm talking about. Because there is a standardization. And standardization is must. When I'm rendering my services, my customer should know what I'm rendering, how much I'm rendering, whether it will be of what quality, I must specify that. So we are not having the standardization. Next internal challenge is there are no entry barriers. Everyone agrees to that. No entry barriers. कोई जो हमारा स्टूडेंट है, लास्ट ईयर जो स्टूडेंट था वो भी आके सामने क्लास चालू करता है. But entry barriers are to be created by us only. And similar entry barriers are made in other professions. Various other professions have created entry barriers. As an organization, it is in our interest to create entry barriers. Unless we create entry barriers for entering in this particular profession, we will be doomed. It becomes a business of hawkers. आज मेरा गाड़ी है जहां मैं वड़ा पाव बेच रहा हूं, कल दूसरा आके मेरे बाजू में गाड़ी लगाता है और वो भी वड़ा पाव बेचता है. If I give this example, some people will feel hurt, but I don't have any other way of other example before me. Every other profession has certain entry barriers. We do not have that. A lawyer cannot function without a qualification. A doctor cannot function without a qualification. An architect cannot function without a qualification. And we always circulate WhatsApp messages which says that teacher is much higher profession than architecture, than doctor, than advocate. But we do not have a qualification criteria. It is like government servants have a qualification criteria. There are entry barriers to become a government servant. There are entry barriers for becoming a secretary, but there are no entry barriers for becoming a minister. Only you have to come elected, that's all, and you become a minister. It is happening like this. All these are internal challenges. I just mentioned it for your knowledge again, and we must take care of this. Otherwise, your profession will never come on a standard footing. I think internal challenges are over. Now we go to the external challenges. Okay, one last internal challenge. We have many class owners here. Thousands of class owners we have. All are not member of our association. I will request every one of you, see to it that the other class owners are also members of this association. It is in your interest. If all are together, then only the things will prosper. Things will go on a proper footing. Otherwise, they will not go. For last many years, we are requesting people कि चलो भाई दूसरे लोगों को member बनाओ, दूसरे class वालों को member बनाओ. जितना membership strong होगा, जितने members बढ़ेंगे, that much will be useful for this particular profession, this particular industry. So make others members, not for association's sake, but for your sake. If more people come together, then only things will go well. These are the